welcome to Pinasayang Sining, the largest art lesson.
Handa na ba kayo para sa ating art activity? Magsisimula na tayo!
It proves that we, Filipino, tayo, mga Pilipino, working together can accomplish great things. Today, we make history together.
We also highlight our own ability to lead and inspire not only our countrymen but the whole world as well. I'm confident that we are able to surpass the Guinness Book of Records with flying colors.
Tayo ay lalahok sa Guinness World Record ng pinakamaraming art lesson sa buong mundo. Sa Quezon City, lahat panalo.
Today here at Quezon City Memorial Circle for our largest art lesson Guinness World Record attempt, we gathered 16,692 people! All right!
Nararamdaman ko ngayon ako actually very proud ako kasi hindi to basta simpleng bagay lang na madaling ma-achieve ng isang tao. So buong Quezon City nagsama-sama, nagtulong-tulong para ma-achieve tong pambihirang moment at ma-break yung record na kailangan i-break natin.